Alright, you made it to video 5. You know what a trust is, why you need one, how it protects you, and the different types. Now it's time for the most important question of all. How do you actually set one up? The biggest gap I see is between knowing and doing. People understand it's important, but the process feels overwhelming. In this final video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how it works with Legacy Blueprint. Step by step, no mysteries, no intimidating jargon. By the end, you'll know exactly what to expect. Welcome to the final video in the series. You now know more about trusts than the majority of adults in this country. But knowledge without action is just information. Here's the path from where you are right now to where you want to be, protected and organized. Step 1. The conversation. A free consultation with our team. This is not a sales call. It's a real conversation where we ask about your situation, what you own, who you want to protect, and we tell you honestly what we think makes sense for you. Every situation is different. What you should bring. A rough list of what you own, who you'd want to benefit, any concerns you have, and all your questions. There's no pressure and nothing to sign at the consultation. We'd rather have an honest conversation than push someone into the wrong fit. Step 2. The assessment. If you decide to move forward, we do a thorough assessment. This is where we get specific about trust structures, trustee designations, and how distributions should work. We're building a clear picture of what your complete plan looks like before we draft anything. This is the strategy phase. This is also where we talk about what goes into the trust. Setting up the structure is one thing. Actually transferring your assets into it is equally important. A trust that isn't funded is like a bank vault with no money in it. It exists, but it's empty. Step 3. Drafting your trust documents. Once your plan is clear, your documents are drafted. I want to demystify this. Your document contains your identity, trustee designations, rules for distribution, and instructions for incapacity. It should be in plain language. At Legacy Blueprint, we walk you through your documents so you understand every section. After drafting, you'll review everything. If something needs to change, we change it. This is your plan. Step 4. Signing. Trust documents need to be signed in front of a notary. When you sign those documents, your trust goes from a draft to a legal reality. It officially exists. But signing the trust is not the finish line. It's the starting line for possibly the most important step. Step 5. Funding your trust. A trust is only useful if your assets are in it. Retitling real estate, changing ownership on bank accounts, and naming the trust as life insurance beneficiary. This funding process is something Legacy Blueprint walks you through. We don't just send you on your way. We help you understand what needs to move. Ownership interests in businesses and sometimes vehicles can be transferred to. A trust that isn't funded is essentially a very well-written document that doesn't actually protect anything. Step 6. Ongoing management and updates. A trust isn't a set it and forget it situation. Life changes, new children, new property, a business launch, or divorce. Review your trust every 3 to 5 years. Think of it like a car. It needs maintenance to keep running correctly. Legacy Blueprint is designed to be a long-term partner in this process. We started this because the traditional system assumes you have thousands for attorneys and time to navigate the legal world. We don't think access to planning should be based on your zip code or bank balance. Legacy Blueprint was built to be the bridge. A step-by-step system that everyday families can actually understand and implement. Our clients walk away feeling control, clarity, and peace of mind. That's what we're offering you. So where do you start right now? The free consultation. Visit the website, kjptasystems.com to take the free readiness check to see just how prepared you really are. Or give us a call for more information. Thank you for joining me, and I'll be looking forward to hearing from you. That's Trust Comprehension 101. You have the foundation. Now it's about taking the first step. We're Legacy Blueprint. We're here for it. I'll see you in the next one. Visit our website to start your Legacy Blueprint today.